Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone supports Touch ID and is up to date. Once done, open Settings and tap Touch ID and passcode, then enter your passcode. Make sure your finger is clean and dry and that the home button and case are clear. You want a stable surface and good lighting so the sensor reads consistently. Now tap Add a fingerprint to begin enrollment. This is the first actionable step to register a fingerprint. Now you'll enroll the fingerprint itself. Place the finger on the home button and lift it when the device prompts you, repeating the motion while the progress circle fills. Make sure to adjust the angle and gently roll your finger to capture the edges, because Touch ID needs multiple contact points to be reliable. Once the main scan finishes, you'll be asked to adjust your grip for a second scan. You can add another finger afterward for backup access. Finish by toggling which features use Touch ID, such as iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and App Store purchases, so you control where it applies. If scans fail, first clean the home button and your finger, then try re-enrolling the fingerprint. Small oils or moisture often cause errors. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and check for iOS updates. And as a last resort, remove fingerprints and set them up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.